Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best arc welders available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the HITBOX ARC 200D welding machine. The HITBOX ARC 200D's intelligent LED display system changed all that for me. The digital current reading isn't just a number on a screen. It's a learning tool that helped me understand the relationship between settings and results. The ARC 200D's portability has been a revelation. At just 2.1 kilograms, I can easily relocate it from my workbench to floor-level projects without any strain. The adjustable shoulder strap isn't just a marketing gimmick. I've actually used it multiple times when working on outdoor projects or helping friends with repairs at their locations. The digital display remains crisp and responsive, all controls function smoothly, and the overall build quality has held up well to regular workshop use. The cooling system continues to perform effectively, and I haven't experienced any degradation in welding performance. The 220 volts power requirement means this isn't a machine you can plug into any standard outlet. However, for a garage or dedicated workshop setup, this is rarely an issue. The power requirement is reasonable given the machine's capabilities. At number 2 is the TOOLIOM 195A stick welder. The dual voltage capability has proven to be one of this welder's most practical features. In my home workshop, I typically run it on 220 volts for maximum power output, which allows me to tackle heavier materials and use larger diameter electrodes. The performance difference between 110 volts and 220 volts operation is significant and immediately noticeable. The clean, stable arc produced by the IGBT inverter has made a noticeable difference in my weld quality. The current output remains remarkably consistent, resulting in uniform penetration and reduced spatter. In my relatively small home workshop, space is always at a premium. The TOOLIOM 195A's compact footprint allows it to fit comfortably on my welding cart without overwhelming the space. The thoughtful design includes convenient handles and cable management that keeps everything organized. The build quality feels solid without being excessive. The housing appears durable enough to withstand normal workshop abuse while maintaining the lightweight characteristics that make it genuinely portable. At number 3 on our list is the SSIMDER Mini Stick Welder. One of the standout features that drew me to this welder was its dual voltage capability. In my experience, this flexibility has proven invaluable. At home, I primarily use the 110 volt setting plugged into my standard garage outlet, which works perfectly for most of my DIY projects and repairs. Most of my welding involves low-carbon steel, from angle iron fabrication to sheet metal repair work. The SSIMDER excels with these materials. I've welded everything from thin 16-gauge sheet metal to thick 1/4 inch plate, and the results have been consistently impressive. The digital display is one of the standout user interface features. Unlike analog meters that can be difficult to read accurately, the digital readout provides precise amperage settings. This precision has improved my welding consistency significantly, as I can replicate successful settings exactly. The compact size has proven more valuable than I initially expected. My workshop space is limited, and the SSIMDER fits easily on a small shelf when not in use. Moving up at number 4 is the HITBOX AC/DC Aluminium TIG welding machine. One feature that really sets this machine apart is its responsive dynamic control. When I accidentally bring the tungsten too close to the workpiece, something that happens to all of us, the machine's quick response prevents the electrode from sticking or contaminating. I can adjust the arc characteristics from soft to hard depending on what I'm welding, which gives me incredible control over the welding process. Working with 304 and 316 stainless steel on this machine has been excellent. The precise heat control prevents the carbide precipitation that can cause corrosion issues, and the clean arc produces minimal discoloration. For structural steel work, the HBT 250P handles everything from thin sheet metal to heavy plate. The deeper penetration I get with the concentrated arc means I can often complete welds in fewer passes, which saves significant time on larger projects. At number 5 is the DEKO MMA Series 160-200 amp welding. At just 3.2 kilograms, I could easily carry the entire unit with one hand, a stark contrast to the bulky welders I've used in the past. The build quality felt solid despite the lightweight construction, and the included adjustable shoulder strap was a nice touch that I didn't expect at this price point. The intelligent display system deserves special mention. Being able to see exactly what current I'm running at a glance has improved my welding consistency dramatically. Operating on 220 volts, this welder works with standard household power in most situations. I've successfully run it from portable generators for remote work, though I recommend at least a 5,000 watt generator for consistent performance. Working with higher carbon steels requires more finesse, and the DEKO has proven up to the task. Tool repairs and spring steel work have all come out well, though I do recommend preheating for critical applications involving high carbon materials. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.